Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Chevrolet Blazer 2LT with the cloth interior. This is the all-wheel drive model powered by the 2.0 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder mated to the 9-speed automatic. There. What is the size on this tire? That's what I want to know. 135. Perfect for a Prius. Do like the dual exhaust, and that is the actual exhaust. It's not fake by any means. Total price of $37,840. This is the convenience and driver confidence package. Midnight blue metallic. Because the sticker's ripped, but yep, midnight blue metallic. Alright, let's go out on the road. I'm a big fan of the 2-liter. It's a really torquey motor. And I'm a big fan of the Blazer. I think the platform is absolutely fantastic. And I have no complaints with it at all. It's just so good. I mean, you can tell it's very eager to downshift. The 9-speed is absolutely fantastic. go ahead and try the turning circle. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.